Today we'll be, don't mind that stuff. Today we'll be opening this fidget spinner I got. I'm saving up the money to get the gold one, so I just bought this one. When you guess what it is, write down in the comments. So I'll pause the video right now, go in the comments, and see if your answer was right. Plus, I'm doing an awesome giveaway, but hey! You ruined the video. So yeah, and today I shall be opening this awesome giveaway. Yeah, I told you like that awesome giveaway I'm doing. There's a first, second, and third. So yeah, but canceling it. Sorry. Cannot do the deal. Some problems with my channel and thing I promised my channel. So yeah, this is the business. I was like, it's a contest thing, and they said no, but you promised. You can promise your own channel. So yeah, I can't do it. I can't do the awesome giveaway. So yeah. Here we go. And it is silver with golden berries. That's their opening. Just wait. Hallelujah. 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 Yeah, I'm embarrassing myself already. So this here. This is how it looks. Pretty awesome, right? And I cannot show you the ending, so this stuff. Oh, and this is how it spins. Look at its rotations. A little bit. Oops, got a little too close. Yeah. Awesome giveaway. We'll start later just to tell you so. Yeah. So after when I get my gold one. After when I get my gold one, ask my sister's question. Just don't mind that. Just feels good handling it. Wish you guys could. And plus, I'm so sorry. The giveaway is only for people who are in Holy Cross School. The blue and white one, not some other colors. So yeah, this is it. It's awesome, right? Goodbye. Just kidding. We'll put it back to there. Oh, sorry for that. Wait. There it is. Packaged. Okay, and bye. Sorry for this video short.